today's tutorial, we are going to create an amazing video for YouTube literally by one command. And the tool I'm going to use is Indideo AI. We will dive into all the features of the software, so make sure you stick to me till the end. And for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Signing up. Go to the link given in the description below and open the link in Chrome browser. Then join with your Google account in Indideo AI software. Once you get in and create your account, this is the dashboard where we will be creating the magic. Now, in this box, we will be giving the topic. So I have created a topic. Make it as detailed as possible within 3600 words. You can explain as much as possible. Now, few things I want to mention here. I have given few words like vibrant, very vibrant. So I want it to be very vibrant in colors. Hyper realistic. I have given an energetic, upbeat background track and Hollywood science fiction style. These words will give it some more emphasis and clue that what kind of a video I'm actually looking for. So once your description of the video is done, now we will have to go to this workflow option. Here we have 4 different options. For me, it will be YouTube explainer. Now you will have to give some more specifications like how many minutes or seconds video you want. Let me give it 30 seconds for sake of this video, but definitely you make it up till 15 seconds. On a free trial, you can make 4 free videos up till 15 seconds long in a month for free. So it is a nice software, you must try. And then you can give some more specifications like it should be engaging. So you give some more specifications here. I have given some more detail, and then we will have to go for the background voice options. Here I will choose the gender. For this particular video, I am choosing male gender. Okay. Or kind of voice you're looking for. There are different type of voice, clear American voice, Californian voice. There's so many different types of voice, young British voice. Whatever you want, you can take. I am taking a young British voice. Okay, and if you want to give a watermark, you can give a watermark. When you are using a free account, it is advisable to go for do not use iStock this option, because for upgraded versions, if you go for the upgraded version of Indideo AI, there iStock videos will not give any watermark at the middle of the video. But if it is a free account, then better not to use iStock's video, because a watermark comes right at the middle of the video, which does not give a good feel. Okay, and then go to continue. Go to generate video. It will be taking a little while to synchronize the entire thing, whichever input you have given. So just be patient. It does not take exorbitantly high time. Here it will prompt you a few more options like who are your targeted audience, whether it is science students, general public, or science enthusiasts. At this moment, I will keep the default science enthusiasts. I have already told them vibrant, so bright is the preferred look, and feel and platform I have already specified. This is YouTube. You can specify as per your need, and then go to continue option. Voila! It took less than 60 seconds for me to create a 35 seconds video. So if it is longer, it might take a little longer time, but believe me, it has created a magic. Now let us see some further modification. Even though I liked this video very much, but still, let's suppose we don't like it. So there are few places where we can modify. Go to this edit button. Okay, from here what all you can get. First is you can change any of these footages. If suppose I don't like this footage, then I will just select this, and here you can either upload your own clip from this upload button. Otherwise, you can search a couple of clips from here. I have given this and enter. Okay, they have given some amazing suggestions. So I can take any of these. I will just go to this to replace, and it will get replaced. This first clip will be replaced. Okay, now once you have selected the media part, then you'll have to go to this bottom right hand side apply button and click on the apply button. Okay, next I'll be changing the content. Now I will go to edit script option. I can change any of these part and then go to apply changes again. I can go to directly this part and give any command like okay, and then go here, and it will start changing the background music accordingly. So likewise you can make the changes, so it will take a while to incorporate those changes in the video. So once everything is set and it is as per your desired expectation, go to this export option and go export video. So if you want to have no watermark, then you can go and upgrade, or even you can take 4K resolution as well. But at this moment I am showing you the free result, so let us go to continue, and this is the final video.
NASA's latest venture, planet colonization. Let us imagine a new home beyond Earth. With cutting-edge technology, they're turning science fiction into reality. It's not just about survival, but thriving in the cosmos. So pack your bags, a new world awaits. This is the dawn of interplanetary living. Stay tuned as we dive into the marvels of the universe. The future is now, and it's out of this world. Explore with us on VAGPE Media. Intrigued? Hit that subscribe button and let's journey together into the unknown.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.